can hang out on the beach.
Hey guys, happy Vlogmas. So today I was able to sleep in, and then my parents are actually watching Jackson. Yesterday was not the hottest day for me, but me and Isaac have been kind of finishing up our touches, added some garland to our kitchen. I've been working on our front porch. Also thought this was super cute, getting like Christmas cards, hanging it on our garland. Something fun and different. I was going to make ribbon and like make this like a present door and then like put the Christmas cards on that, but I didn't have any ribbon, so this worked. I think this kind of looks cuter, but yes, like I said, we're working on our front porch. We do have a bin out for the FedEx, Amazon people, some candy, Chex Mix, Teddy Grahams. We have some protein bars in there and stuff. This is for them to grab. But I wanted to show you guys these cute pillow covers from Amazon. I just took our Lowe's like pumpkin pillows and put on Christmas pillow cases over it. So I thought that was super cute on the rocking chair. But it is definitely finishing up. I think I'm about done with our front porch. Just strung up some lights and garlands and have everything set up with a button push on and off. Guys, this is amazing. If you don't have something like this, then you need to get it. It's this little black box and you can hook two of them to. I also have a 3-prong, but that way everything will just kind of turn off with a button and on. So it makes it so much better so you don't have to go outside in the cold. And let's go. Isaac has finished up his snow village. He's been collecting these. My dad actually has so many of these and he is now obsessed. So this is his little snow village this year. Super cute. Hopefully this is a good spot for it with, you know, the kids' playroom right there. But I thought that was cute. But I mean, guys, I want to have this section over here for like my sugar plum, like reindeer. Like, how cute is that? Lots of laundry done, folded, house clean, a lot of Christmas stuff up. I need to start wrapping gifts, but very successful day. Thank you, Amy and Pappy, for hanging out with Jackson and cooking with him. He apparently is taking a great nap, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick him up. Got him a couple snacks for the car, some applesauce and a cheese stick. And tonight we're probably just gonna do like soup and sandwiches, nothing too crazy, something quick. I was planning on making those salsa chicken tacos, but I didn't get home and like everything situated to make that tonight. So just soups and sandwiches, and then yeah, hang out, maybe make a gingerbread house tonight. Who knows? You did find the bear. So we are decorating ornaments for our grandparents, great-grandparents. I got this from Target, the Tremendous. I talked about it in my Target haul vlog. I will leave that linked up above, but this is pretty cool that it kind of moves. So those are two of our cool ones. This one was kind of like freehand figuring out, and then that is what one of them looks like. Pretty cool. Finished look, pretty cute, pretty cute. Mimi and Pop Pop, Amy and Pappy, and then Grandma and Papa, you said, right?
Let me have one, Mommy.
Yep, we'll let them dry a little bit, okay? Let's go play. Heart.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the
Morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. Today is a church day for us, and we go see Amy and Pappy. So this morning we woke up. Isaac got us some McDonald's and some donuts from a local bakery. Right now we're just kind of getting ready for church. It's very casual, outdoor kind of family service. I have some laundry I need to put away in Jackson's room. Get it all nice and looking good again. We're just kind of hanging out before we head over to church.
Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we...
Hey guys, so we are actually back from church and back from lunch. So we actually, today was the first time we got up in front of the church and had a little passage from the Bible to read. We did the second Advent, which is peace today. So our family was asked to read the Bible passage. So yes, we actually did that. Now that's not something I thought, especially with Isaac, we would ever do, but we did. I like right now too, it's an outdoor service, very family friendly, so we know a good majority of the people, so we weren't nervous or anything like that. One of my girlfriends actually took a picture of us, so I have the picture up here, but yeah, it was good. Jackson didn't freak out. He helped kind of light the candle, battery operated, that kind of stuff, so that was nice. He did really good during outdoor service. But we also went to lunch with one of our family friends, family, I don't know how to say them, church friends, I guess. And yeah, we did it last week and we had a really good time doing it again this week. So now Jackson is going down for a nap. I think he's finally succumbing to it. It's always kind of a later nap when we do go out to lunch and stuff after church, but he really likes it. So right now I'm going to try and edit and post my Vlogmas Clean With Me video. I'll link it up above if you're interested, but I'm going to try and get that. And then Isaac's going to Target to pick up some groceries for the week, so I'll share that with you guys then. But yeah, just trying to get a lot of editing done for this upcoming week. I don't have that much edited. I have a couple things filmed, but definitely have to work on it, and YouTube has kind of fallen to the wayside this week. But I am trucking along. I'll share with you guys a little bit as it comes, but I'm going to get to editing real quick. And then later tonight we're going to my parents for dinner, so that's exciting. I didn't really have to make food at all this week, like today, since we got donuts out and then lunch out at the pizza place and then parents for Friday, so not bad, not bad. Isaac just got back from the grocery store. I'll go ahead and share with you guys what we got for this week. We have some red grapes. I just want to say this Pretty Lady kind is not seedless. It says it's seedless, but I have to take the seeds out, so we made the mistake again, but that's okay. Then I got a green apple, sweet potato, onion, some dino-shaped chicken nuggets, always good to have on hand for a picky toddler. Hope that's Jackson's animal crackers from earlier. Eggs, a couple of snacks, red and green M&Ms, perfect for cookies, trail mix, anything like that. Reese's Christmas trees, some mac and cheese, some yogurt pouches. Jackson really likes this. I needed some more vanilla extract, some Tide detergent. Then we got some shredded Mexican cheese, some cheddar cheese. I got some frozen green peas, slow cooker liners. Then we got some deli meat, some ham, turkey, and hot dogs. We got the Angus beef, and then Jackson really likes this red skinless Frankfurts. This is actually, I think, his favorite kind, even the skinless ones. Then Bella Vita cheese for cheese dip later. Some hoagie rolls, hot dog buns, some bread for sandwiches, some shredded iceberg lettuce. Jackson really likes mandarin oranges, and I think getting in a fruit cup, it will last longer, so I got some of those. Big thing of chicken breasts for the week. Isaac must have found a snack of TGI Fridays mozzarella sticks. Someone had a craving. Some chicken broth, apple juice for Jackson. A big thing of Swiss Miss for me. I like to combine this with coffee in the mornings to have kind of like a hot coffee mocha kind of thing without going to Starbucks every day. And then super glue because we have a graveyard of broken ornaments that I need to fix, so hopefully that will work. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.